Dreaming of travel but tight on cash? Eastern Europe has you covered. First up, Budapest. This Hungarian capital isn't just stunning, it's also super affordable. Enjoy thermal baths and panoramic views of the Danube River, all on a budget. Next, let's hop over to Krakow in Poland. With its charming old town and vibrant culture, you'll feel like you're walking through history. And guess what? It's wallet-friendly. Now how about Sofia, Bulgaria? This city blends ancient history with modern vibes. From beautiful churches to bustling markets, there's plenty to explore without emptying your wallet. Don't miss Belgrade in Serbia. Known for its lively nightlife and rich history, this city offers endless fun at a fraction of the cost. Plus, the food is mouth-wateringly good and cheap. Finally, let's head to Riga, Latvia. This Baltic beauty boasts stunning architecture and a vibrant art scene. And the best part? You can enjoy all this on a small budget. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable Eastern European adventure without breaking the bank. Happy travels!